My name's Jeremy and I'm from Long Beach, California. Before visiting Ding King, I did motorsports marketing. I have a friend that does PDR and he loves it, and I thought it was interesting, so I Google searched it. I've done all the other auto services in the auto industry, and like I said, my friend really enjoys what he does and thought I would like it too. The first day was really about reading the light and seeing the highs and lows, and the first day was a big struggle. But as the time goes on, I feel myself getting better and better at reading the light and knowing if there's pressure points you got to release before you can push on a dent, or creases. It's learning to read the light better and picking the right tools. My plan after I'm done training is to go work with my friend and shadow him for a while, to get more experience and to learn different cars and just learn as much as I can before starting to do it on my own. I still feel like I got a lot to learn and there's a long way to go, but each day I feel a little better and a little better. Thank you, Ding King.